Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. We are out here with Pearl, not addressing the brake issue, which is the reason why we can't drive Pearl. But while we got the door apart, there was some other things that we needed to do. Handle the door, master door switch module thing, and now we're up to the latch. And the problem with the latch was when you turn Pearl off, you know how the radio stays on, and then the dome light, when you open the door, dome light would go on and it would shut everything else down. Well, it wasn't seeing that, and that's all in the door latch itself. So I did some searching around on the forums, and I found some people that took the door latches apart and moved where the gear was. This one seemed to work a little bit. If you stuck your hand in there, you could jiggle it and get the dome light to come on and off, and then it completely stopped working. So I said I'm not going to futz with that. Let's see how much a door latch is. So I was able to get an entire door latch assembly. I'll link it in the description below for about 30 bucks. It's a lot going on in this thing. But it's your door latch. It knows whether the door is open or closed. It's the door lock actuator. It's got 3 electrical connectors to it. I don't know. The dormer or the GM part is pretty expensive on this, so I'm figured for 30 bucks I'll gamble on the Amazon Made in China special. Who's to say that the GM one's any better anymore? So seems like I got 3 screws here that will that it's mounted in with. It's mounted like upside down. It looks like this, and then it's got some rods where all the orange posts. And then this clip here are the rods for the door lock and the door latch and all that shit. So I'm gonna take it out and reach in there and see what happens. Well, like most people, I really hate working inside the door. Looks like if I put the window up, I'll have a little more room in here. Let me put the window up. Hey, with the window up, I got plenty of room. Well, not plenty of room, but I got room. More room than I had before. So I see an easy wire connector. If I can get it off without it breaking. Alright, so I got one off. Electrical plug there. Everything's shit electrical. It's above. So I got the bottom one off. This one goes in this way. So I got that one off. There's that one. Do get a hand in there. That one. And there's one at the very, very top. Oh, man. Got that one off. There's 3 electrical connections off. And the one rod, this rod, does not seem like it's going to come off easy. Neither does this rod, which could be okay because it'll pop out over here. So I'm going to unhook it from here. 30. It's a 30. The T30 Torx. Oh, this handle's not even bolted on anymore because I took one of the bolts out, so that makes that easier, maybe. This wire is in the way. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Now it's a little bit of a wiggle fight. Let me move the camera, show you what I'm dealing with. I don't know how to get them off. All right, so these rods do a 90-degree bend, go through the grommet, and they don't easily pop out. They don't have like one of those clips that you normally have. Huh. There's got to be a way they come off. It can't be that you have to break the clip each time. Oh, it just pulls through. Okay. Look at that. Just a little elbow grease that goes through. And there's one more that you got to do blind, I guess. Let's see. Oh, it comes from there. Let's see if it pops out nice and easy like that. Right, other ones did. Of course not. Always the last one. Holy cow, that's a hard one. All right, so the one I am trying to get out is going to be this one right here. This is the tough one, and you can see it's the sharp edges in there. Got it. All right, so here's the original one. All right, so you got these two rods that hang in the front that go up to the door latch. The rod that doesn't have a little bend in it that goes through the big tan thing is for the door handle, and the short one with the curve going through it is for the door lock cylinder. So this one is for the handle, this one is for the lock cylinder. And you could see through this hole, you could see your lock cylinder there, which ours is going to come out because we haven't been able to turn it. But I want to at least get this end in correctly. So I'm going to slide this in place once I get this lined up. So I'm just going to put 2 screws in here just to hold it in place. Like I said, they're T30, there's some Loctite on them. Some of that dry factory Loctite that seems to last forever. And you got this little guy. This one. Oh, maybe I should put this one in first. Pop that back in. Let's put the door handle one in first. This bottom one is my old one. So this rod has got to go on something that goes, that's a lock. That's the latch. Yeah. So the top rod is for the latch. Bottom rod. Holy cow. Something so simple can be so difficult sometimes. I can feel it, I can't see it. But how hard could it be? I could feel it right there. Oh, man. I'm in it. Okay, cool. So I got this here. Pop this back in. Not back in before I forget how it goes. This is back in that way. So now I just have the wires and the thing. So let me put another screw in. This big one up down here. The green one is the littler of the two. That was my old one. Green one went all the way that way, and then this gray one, gray and purple, went on the inside. Okay. I got everything on except for the rod. Seems like it could be adjustable, that rod. There's the rod going down from the latch that goes onto this piece. You can see how it's got like threads in it. It's threaded, so I wonder if that's adjustable. That rod on the outside was a little sloppy, and I didn't know whether it was a problem with the handle or part of the latch problem. I don't know. Okay, the latch is still a little sloppy. I don't know if oh, look at that, my dome lights are on. Okay, so my dome lights are on. Try. Oh, yeah. See how this does that. I guess it's in this handle. Might have to get new handles for this. Rest of them are tight. Maybe there's an adjustment in there, hopefully. So that sucks. Alright, so that works. Alright, so after doing a little research on how the door latch itself works, there is an adjustment. So this piece right here, the rod's gonna go into, you can pull that rod down, or you can push the rod up when you clip it over, and it holds the rod in place. And that adjustment is to make sure that you got enough pull in your door handle for when you open the door. So you close the door. There we go. Close the door. Now forget this slop. This slop is a different issue. There's no adjustment in the rod for this slop. I thought there might have been some adjustment. This slop is either a broken spring or a spring that clipped off, but you can see it looks like the vehicle was either broken into at one time or they tried to break into it. That's probably why the key don't work.